Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds on earth. Peacock usually has a blue color and its feathers have a mixture of blue, green, and golden colors. Peacocks can be found in various regions such as India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Africa. The colorful feathers of peacocks contribute to their attractive appearance. When peacocks spread their feathers and dance in the rain, they create a beautiful sight. Peacocks have the ability to fly up to certain heights on branches but are unable to soar in the sky. Their large tail and relatively lighter body weight limit the peacock's ability to fly to great heights. During the night, peacocks seek refuge on trees to protect themselves from potential attackers. The male peacock is recognized as the peacock, while the female is referred to as the peahen. Peacocks generally have a lifespan ranging from 10 to 25 years.